Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin music to Facebook profile. So if you want to pin music to your Facebook profile so your friends can listen to a particular music you want them to listen to in your profile, here's how you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app. Once you open it, then tap on the menu, then tap on the gear button, then you scroll down a little bit, then under add audience and visibility, just tap on the profile details, then scroll down a little bit as well, then under music, add music. So currently there is no music to pin, so you just have to add a particular music. So we'll tap on this. We can highlight on any of the music we want. So I'm just going to tap on this, which is Happy New Year, which is cool. So that means I'm adding two music. So you can see two music, but I only want to pin one. So I want to pin this Happy New Year. So I'm just going to tap on the three dot icon right in front of music. So then I'll tap on pin to profile. So when you run back to check on your profile, you notice that the music app is pinned to your profile, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, smash the subscribe button and follow for more. Thank you.